Hey everyone, it's Fleur here. This is our behind the scenes of our headquarters here in Burleigh Heads. So we thought we'd start off in our one part of the creative hub of this business here. So we're in the design and development area. So for those of you new to the brand, all designed and developed right here in Burleigh Heads in the Gold Coast, Australian owned and operated, manufactured, and this is where the ideas and the dreaming and the fun begins. We've got Anna here, who's our design room coordinator. Actually, basically keeps my brain all on track with everything that I'm kind of thinking of. And Lynn, who's been with us for 3 years now, who's our absolute amazing pattern maker, who makes the visions come to fruition and actually helps get perfect fits and tweaks and everything. Dream team here is a dream to work with. It's fun, and we've got lots of exciting things coming, so we need to get away from all the contraband.
The cutting machines just started going off, so that's what that noise is.
And here we've got our in-house machinists. So we've got Tran and Maddie and beautiful Maria, who's come back to help us out recently. These women help make all the visions come to fruition really quickly. We also fit on size 12, 18 and 22. So sometimes they're having to churn out quite a few samples to make sure we've perfected the fit, just so you know. It all happens here. This is where all sort of the engine of managing all our production happens. Tiara is our production coordinator. I'm usually not caught on camera. No, she's not shy. Our production manager is very shy. He has disappeared. Wall of threads. Wall of threads. It's all very exciting. And then this is Lisa, who is our attention to detail with all our fabrications, pattern grading, fit, perspective before it gets cut. So Lisa perfects everything in here from design and sends it over to our automatic cutter. Does a wonderful job too. So she's if I want to put a fabric in and Lisa vetoes it, you know it has to be for a good reason, because she is absolutely vigilant. She keeps me on my toes. And we're over here with Ian, who operates the Pathfinder automatic cutter. So pattern piece comes through to, as you can see on the screen here, and then it goes on to the conveyor belt and the vacuum operates.
Ooh, a little sneak peek there. Something to come.
Do you want to have a little? That would normally take a manual cutter quite a while. This is just a sample. It's coming through for winter, so it's only one lay deep. We usually have quite a lot of depth there with all of our tops and so forth, the cutting sizes together. So it helps us actually maintain our quality as well. We're small batch production, so we're not doing mass production, so sort of one and done with the fabric. Unless we have something we know that we love, but it's a sure thing, we can top up on some of our missing sizes as well.
Yeah.
Right.
Alrighty, where to next?
Going to walk through some of our warehouse into dispatch. This is our QC area with Danny. Oh, and Tiara's in wanting to steal a little bit of the limelight. No, I don't like the camera, she says. Oh, shit. All our samples that come through in our bulk, these guys here are QCing, checking and making sure it's all perfect. Once it's all done and signed off, it's ticketed, and then it's ready to go out to you. And then here's the dream team here, Shalene and Anna, who are under the pump constantly.
The reason you get your packages so fast.
Exactly. So you can see all the beautiful showstopper there and other selections of pieces in there as well, heading out the door this afternoon.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to take you through to the other side of the business. So that's all the production side. Come on through. Oh, you might recognise this lovely face. Deb is our accounts and office manager here. So she's been with us for over a year. Anyway, you'll be familiar with Deb because she's basically been the glue in the last year of keeping all of our customer care things under control. And so she's very much the lovely face that you will be greeted with if you come and visit us at this side of the building.
That's right.
This is mine. Do we want to show the whole?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness! I was briefed that I had to make sure my desk was tidy, but didn't quite get there. Jack's hiding behind. She's our digital marketing manager. Hey, Jack. Now, as much as we are a production and design company, we're very much a digital company as well. And this is where this is the other creative machine that's happening. And we've only got several. Poke your heads out from behind. Some of our team are working from home. We have a very flexible workspace here, so sometimes it's on and off. But this is where we dream up all the beautiful creative ideas that we want to present to you as well. So we're working on March photo shoot at the moment, aren't we?
Yes.
Yeah.
So no screenshots.
Yeah, you might be able to.
Too late. And then we're going to finish up through here into our customer success area, but more importantly, we're finishing in our newest creative area, the L&F Style Studio.
What everyone wants to see,
Yeah.
I think.
So this is Jodie. Jodie will be one of the wonderful team members that you will have help you on many occasions. She job shares with Gracie, who comes in at the beginning of the week. But the amazing team of people working here with Tracy under her guidance in the sense of working with styling, things like that, so we can all come at you with all the greatest pieces of information. And then wonderful Tracy Tarr.
Of course, we
Our
all know
resident
Tracy.
So we have just set up our online L&F Style Studio a booking appointment. Tracy and the team will be here to help you should you want to invest in yourself and actually coming in and having an hour of power styling and curating a collection for yourself that you've always wanted to do. If you're holidaying in the Gold Coast and we're here, come and visit us because we're going to meet you. But that's a rapid
Yeah, no, we got
through.
through that.
Yes, and it's we've got a team of 25 here. It's an amazing, amazing team to work with, and we're really proud of what we create for you. So I hope you've enjoyed the behind the scenes, and we look forward to hopefully meeting you here soon.
Bye.
Bye.